Today I'm working on a 535 BMW. Just doing a quick note. I'm replacing the valve cover gasket, not the valve cover assembly on this one. Normally I recommend replacing the valve cover assembly. A lot of times they distort, and they have this this oil separator diaphragm built into the valve cover on these. All the modern BMWs, basically all the models I can think of offhand right now, have the same kind of setup where they have the crankcase vent diaphragm built into the valve cover itself. That's what I'm trying to get at here. When you're doing the valve cover gasket alone and you're not replacing the whole cover, you have to be careful when you clean this. Normally you pull the valve cover off, you bring it to the parts washer and you hose it all down and use the brush and get in there and clean it real nice. You don't do that with these because when that mineral solvent gets on the diaphragm, it'll cause it to fail. It'll rip. It's like putting your latex gloves in safety clean. It just falls apart. The same thing will happen with this diaphragm in here. So you have to be very particular, very careful how you clean the inside of this cover. I just clean the sealing surface itself, just where the seal rests, and dry it real nice and put the new gasket on and put it back together kind of dirty. It goes against your nature. You want to have it nice and clean when you're working on it, but on these you don't do that. A lot of times you'll see them come from other shops and they just had a valve cover gasket done and now it's running bad, and it'll have a bunch of lean running faults and stuff like that, and it'll be because of that. They used parts cleaner, safety clean, whatever, and it got on that diaphragm. So just have to be careful when you're working, when you're replacing that gasket, not to clean it too good. That sounds strange saying, but yeah, that's it. So it's just making a quick note about that. It goes for all of these straight six BMWs. So thanks.